Welcome back, guys. So today I'm doing a video with my dad's 73 Cuda. This is where my love for Mopars began. E-body shape I just fell in love with. This and my uncle's 70 Challenger. So yeah, we'll just have a look around and go through it. And this is my old man here.
G'day guys, how are you?
How you going? And yeah, let's have a look. So originally this car was a JA5 Silver Frost metallic, but at some stage before my dad owned it, someone painted it in violet. Yeah, so she's a factory 340 with a 727 3-speed.
Slapstick auto?
Yeah, slapstick auto. Basically, yeah, matching numbers, motor and
yeah, all tran, running gears, all matching numbers that come out of the factory. Obviously the air cleaner is not original to the car. It just is better performance. Actually, it sucks in more air intake into the carbies. I like the look of the air cleaner.
Yeah, it looks
big
good.
Old tin pies there. They're really good.
Factory aircon. Factory
aircon, but it's not connected. One day I'll put it back. I got all the plumbing for it, so it'll all go back to how it was.
Yeah. So looking inside the interior now, basically factory interior hasn't really been touched.
No, nothing's been done to it. Obviously the dash and everything as was factory, just been cleaned. It's in excellent condition. The seats were redone. Yeah. Because they had sags in them, so
they tend to lose
lost all firmness. Yeah, it looks like you're under the height of the dash when you're sitting in with there's no support there.
Yeah, definitely.
But apart from that, all the back is all interior. The headlining's all good, all original. It's been really well looked after for its life here. So I think what I will do in years to come, when I save some more money, is take it back to bare metal. I've had it up on the lift, on the hoist, and it's really clean underneath. It's all from factory, but it is actually clean.
Yep.
So basically it doesn't really need to be put back off the road. I'm gonna just bare metal the car and paint it back to the Silver Frost, maybe redo some chroming, fix some little dinks in some stainless, which I can do myself.
Yep.
But apart from that, I think the car's gonna come up a real winner.
Yeah, definitely. No, it looks great. And yeah, factory vinyl.
Factory vinyl. There is a couple of rust spots under the vinyl, which is
it tends to happen
for somebody that's that age. But I will put a new top on it. Yeah, I like the vinyl, so it's going to go back. That's original to the car, so it's going to go back to how it was. Silver and black, black top. Yeah. So I will take the vinyl off. I'm going to be taking the chromes off and redoing them. So I'll take the vinyl off.
Yep. Oh, beautiful. Oh, perfect. Well, yeah. All right, well, I'll get you to start it up and then we'll just see you driving around a bit.
All right, sweet.
Okay, so thanks for watching, guys. If you don't mind considering giving me a thumbs up and a subscribe, that'd be appreciated. I'm planning to do some more of these kind of videos with some of my mates. They got some pretty badass Mopars, so that's on the cards. And yeah, I'll see you in the next video.